Hello guys, let me show you how to remove any type of passwords on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's turn on the phone and then type in your PIN code. Just like this. And here we need to go in settings and now scroll down till you see lock screen and always on display tab. Select it and now go in screen lock type right here on the top of the screen. So as you can see, in my case there is a PIN code and fingerprints. So I'm gonna type in PIN code, and now if you want to remove any PIN codes, passwords, pattern and so on, you can choose none, for example, but also accept that change to a non-secure screen lock type will remove your fingerprints. So just confirm by clicking this remove data button. And now you will have no lock screen. So if you choose swipe, then to unlock your screen, you will have to swipe from the bottom to the top, just like this. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.